Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am making chinchin, homemade chinchin without baking powder. So yeah, I actually have started making the chinchin before I remember to start recording. So the recipe I use for this chinchin is 3 cups of flour, 1 over 3 cups of sugar. You can reduce the sugar to 1 over 4 cup if you like, and milk. Then 1 over 3 cup of water. Right, so that was what I used and I needed it. I did not use baking powder, so this is something anybody can do at home. After kneading, I kneaded with flour. After kneading, I cut it with my chin cutter, as you can see by the side, and I fried it. I didn't put anything, just just sugar, flour, water, and milk. No baking powder, no baking soda. Thank you very much. Watch and enjoy. Bye. And please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is very, very important. That is what helps us to continue doing this. Bye.